Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the graphic settings on the Tekken 8 game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Tekken 8 game on your device, and once you open it up, you will be taken into the main menu. From here, click on the options menu at the bottom left corner and you will end up within the options page. From here, go ahead and click on graphic settings. And now this will show you all of the graphic settings that you can change within the game. You can change from full screen or windowed mode, and you may also choose your resolution. There is also the option to set VSync and turn it on or off. You can also choose the rendering quality preset from low, medium, high and ultra. If you have more VRAM available, then you can use ultra, or you may try lowering from the preset to find the good balance of quality and performance. Now, you may manually define all the other settings as well, but it is recommended that you use the rendering quality preset option. After finding the optimum quality, you can go back to the main menu and start playing your game, and your display settings as well as your graphic preferences will be applied to your game right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change the graphic settings on the Tekken 8 game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.